it's Chef Maia, the famous chef. Let's get cooking! Chef Maia, everything's good. 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 Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode. Today we are making another drink. So I know I haven't posted a drink video in a while because we only have one drink video, and I was thinking we can make that. I'll make a new drink. So let's get started. So first, you want to go ahead and wash your hands. I already washed my hands. So we're gonna be going up to the first step. So first, what you want to get is a cup. It could be any size. I'm gonna get a clear glass cup so you guys can see what I'm doing. You also need honey, granulated sugar, water, and ice, and yeah, that's it for so far. I might add you'll need one tangerine orange. So let's get that real quick. Hey guys, so once you have your glass cup, your honey, one orange, it's gonna be like a orange iced tea kinda, some granulated sugar, and a knife to cut the orange, and you'll need a cutting board. So let's get that real quick. So I just got a paper plate because we're only going to be using a little bit. So there's no need to get a real plate. Okay. So cut the orange like this, sideways. And it should look like this. Just keep it there. Go ahead, fill your cup to how much water you want. So I'm going to do up to here probably. Our water, want to go ahead fill it with ice, so fill it. If you have a ice tray, then use that. We have ice in our refrigerator, so I'm going to use that. But if you have any other ice things and you don't have a refrigerator with ice in it, you can always use an ice tray or an ice bag. So let me fill it up with ice real quick. Hey guys, so once we have our cup, we want to go ahead, squeeze orange juice in here for flavor. And you can whisk it in with a knife or this. And then squeeze more orange juice in. Might not turn all the way orange because there's just a little bit of juice in there. If you want to add more juice, then you could go do that. But I'm just going to keep it like this. This seems good. So you might see floating things in it, but that's the orange. So don't worry about that. Next, what we want to do, we want to go ahead and get the honey. So let me pull this up real quick. Okay. Let me just wipe this off. And guys, don't worry. We have a new intro coming out soon. So it's a little change in my videos. So let's put some honey. It doesn't really matter how much you put in. Honey is just for taste and sugar. It's a healthier sugar, but we're still going to use sugar for this. And you'll see that the honey goes to the bottom, and that's totally fine. Just try to mix it in a little bit more. It's still probably going to stay at the bottom, so you just want to keep it there. Then you could eat it. I don't know what I'm talking about. But I've tried this before and it tastes really good, so I'm just gonna put a little bit more honey because I like honey.
not be able to see through like the cup, it looks really cool over here, but through the camera it might not look as cool as it is here. But yeah. Alright, so try to get on like the ice. Okay. Well, once you have that, this looks really good. You want to go ahead and get a teaspoon and put 2 teaspoons of, or actually get a half tablespoon. No, actually get a spoonful of sugar. So that's good. Put it on there and mix it in. This will be our nice little kinda iced tea. I just know it's gonna taste really good because I tried it. This looks good over here. Over there, it probably looks like it's just white and it has a lot of things floating around in it. But over here, it looks like a sunset, really. Okay. And actually, that's actually a good idea. I think I'm going to call it a sunset iced tea. So what I'm going to do to make it like a sunset color, I'm going to put some raspberry lemonade in it and mix it in a little bit to make it look cooler. So I'll see you guys next. Okay guys, so I put some raspberry lemonade in it, and well, it says blackberry. Any drink that you know that tastes good and it's like looks red, then put it in, and you'll end up with an sunset iced tea for the summer. Looks really nice to me. I'm not sure about you guys, but I can't wait to try this. So yeah. Hey guys, so yours should pretty much look like this or like this. And so let's go ahead and try it. Okay, I can't wait. This is so good. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Especially with a raspberry lemonade or like a berry lemonade. It tastes delicious. Oh my gosh. It is very cold, so I'm not going to drink it very fast. But I'm going to definitely drink the rest of this. I can't wait. It's sweet. It's a little tart. It's iced. It's all nice. It looks like the sunset, actually. This is a nice summer drink. I would definitely make this all the time. So yeah. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed making your sunset iced tea. And I hope you actually make it a lot because this tastes really good. I'm definitely drinking the rest of this later today. So that's it for all. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. Please like and subscribe. Check out my website and my merch. So this morning when I woke up, it signed me out of YouTube and I tried to sign back in. And it said my account was disabled, so we had to like verify my age and stuff. But since it said I'm too young, we had to, it said that someone has to manage my account who's an adult. And so my mom is doing it. We put her age in because it said so. And we verified it. And so it shouldn't be disabled again if you saw it disabled. But yeah, it shouldn't be disabled again. All the videos loaded. again, so you should be still able to watch this. So I hope you guys enjoy and make this a drink. And yeah, have a great day and bye.